Hi. I've looked for this type of video a lot on YouTube, because I've been in this situation. You are about to start studying and you fall asleep and you wake up the next morning and you literally start like panicking. Um, this is how to study very last minute that I have to cram for a test. Usually the ones I end up cramming for are science. Um, and this is what I do to help myself. Um, I always save multiple choice to study last. The trick to memorizing, it depends on the type of learner you are. I learn from just like reading it and I get it really quickly. But if you're more of like an auditory learner, like if people say it, try recording a video or a voice recording of yourself saying each question with the answer, and listen to it like as you're riding the bus to school, as you're being driven to school, and just listen to it over and over again. But if you're a reading learner like me, try looking at the sheet and picking like 5 of the questions and just read through it over and over and over again. Read it out loud. Try and teach yourself it. Make sure you understand it. And just keep reading and reading and reading. And then if you have those down, move on to the next 5. And then review all 10. And just keep going and going and going. And study until the last possible second. I'm talking like you're looking at your notes and the teacher says, put your books away. Like, that's how much you need to be studying. Between classes, right before the class starts. For me, science is first period, so I have to study, like, ridiculously and study to the last possible second. Like, he's taking attendance and you're, like, looking at your notes. You're like, yeah, here. And just study as much as possible. Just, you have to use every second. Like, you wake up late and, like, you're doing your makeup. Like, put the sheet, like, tape it on the wall, and, like, as you're, like, doing your mascara, you're like, sheer rock and stress, and it'll help, I promise. And if you're smart and you study beforehand, I'd say the easiest way to study is make flashcards. Write down the question in the front and then the answer in the back, and just go through, go through, go through. It sounds kind of nerdy, but it works. It's really the only way you can get it to work. But yeah, I hope that helps if you're like freaking out right now because you forgot about your test. But I don't know. I hope it helps.